Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to make handmade lip balm using You-Niverse Color Change Lip Balm. Let's open up the package and pour everything out so that we will prepare everything that we need. This is going to be very exciting. I am sure you will like this video. We are going to wait until Patrick takes everything out from the box. We are just getting started. The first thing to do is to fill the microwave-safe cup with at least 130 to 135 wax chips. We'll get to the colors later. The next thing to do is to add 10 scoops of wax base and remember to scrape off any edges from the spoon. Now, add your clip to the microwave-safe cup. Now you are going to wrap the lid. Measure the plastic wrap with 3 by 3 inches with a ruler before you cut it. That would give you the right measurement of a square. Okay, now we are going to cut it. Be sure to trace the square from where you marked it. Take your time in doing it. Don't go too fast, else the wrap can easily rip and you would have to redo it. Okay, now, take the square cut wrap and push it down so that there is no space between the wrap and the lid. If you don't push it down, it will not work when you are trying to make a lip balm like this. Make sure the ends of the lid are secure as well. Clip your container to a mug with water in it, and put it in a microwave. Heat that up for 3 minutes and then give it a stir, because we want the texture to be liquidy. I will come back in 3 minutes. We'll see how it goes. Caution, it is hot. Be careful when taking it out. Now give it a test and try to stir it. If it is still hard and not liquidy enough, put it in the microwave again for another 3 minutes, then give it another stir. This process will take some time, so please do not rush when making this. Okay, 3 minutes is up. Now we're going to carefully take it out, with anything protective because it's hot. Then we are going to mix it again to see how it is now. Yes, it is now liquid. Now that's done, we're ready to give some color and flavoring. P.S. Don't eat it. Now this is the exciting part. The flavor and the color. You have a variety of which flavor and color you want. Patrick will use a blueberry one. Put in 30 drops into the mixture and mix it around. Be fast. It will gradually become hard if you're not fast enough. I know this may look like a lot of drops and looks like it would make the color very dark, but trust me, it has to be. If you don't put enough drops, the scent and color will not be vibrant enough. Then gradually pour your mixture into the container you have chosen and be sure to get everything that is from the container. You would also need to scrape off your spoon because there is some mixture stuck there as well. You can see the edges are getting hard, so keep this process as fast as you can. Because it is a lip balm, you would also need to make the shape as a ball. Try your best to push it down on the top. Okay, now, take the other cover and cover it tight. If it doesn't go all the way, it's probably because there are extra bits outside. Fix that if that is the case. Now, put that lip balm into the freezer for half an hour. Watch your time when doing it. Wait for half an hour before taking out the lip balm from the freezer. Once that 30 minutes is up, take that out and test it out. There, now you have the finished product. You can try it on your lips now. Smells good.